What is that you have there, Jack?
Fitbit.
Fitbit. It's a watch from China we got. And what's in the end there?
Just here, look, so it's 10 past 5.
No.
51.
10:51, which is 10 to 11. Oh, it's measured your... What did it measure there, Jack?
My heart beeps.
Your heartbeat was 77. Show me how it works. How do you control it?
So you just keep clicking this button.
It's measuring now. And your blood pressure, oxygen.
Look,
Now,
this
see?
is where it scans me.
This is where it's scanned. You have no oxygen.
Yeah, right.
Because underneath we can see
There's
it's measuring.
it.
So if you hold it,
So here's running.
okay.
So this
running.
is running. This is climbing. This
Right.
is cycling, and this is if you want to go out. So I'm just gonna go out.
Okay.
And here's messages. You can give somebody a message.
Settings.
And when you click here, long press to find. So you can.
Different types. Go slower. You're doing too fast. That's to turn it off.
So this is how you go back.
Shows your heart beeps. You have 77, 0 oxygen, and 333 footsteps you've done so far today. That's good walking, Jack. You delighted? Do you like that watch?
Yeah. Yeah, and this is music.
Yeah.
Here you can actually.
No, we don't have any music attached to it though.
I know.
Yeah, so
And
play and etc. Because I don't have Spotify on my phone. And that is connected to my phone.
And here's just all the. This is how China made the watch, I think.
Yeah, all the details about the watch basically. Yeah, watch is this is magnetic. So literally goes like that. So you can adjust whatever way you want.
Yeah.
Scans everything.
Yeah.
Just don't wiggle there. That's where it scans everything. And these two golden sort of buttons is where you actually charge the phone. Is it cool, yeah?
Yeah.
Listen, you can wear that watch because I get allergic reaction for it, so I can't wear it.
Like, does your arm kind of shake?
No, my arm I just get a red spot here from the watch, so I can't wear it.
Sure, I got a smiley face.
Show me.
1 sec.
No, you're gonna draw a smiley face. I know what you're gonna do. No, don't do that on your hands.
Looks good.
You're a messer. I hope you're all keeping well. That watch was sent by Banggood.com, so we're back in business with them, slowly but surely. So they also sent me a new drone, which I will be testing once the kind of winds calm down a little bit. Okay, so I'm so sorry we haven't been able to post lately for a good few weeks. That's just purely because Dave is in and out of the hospital all the time. He is due for a very serious surgery. I won't go into details of it, but anyway, it's being controlled and monitored by the doctors all the time. They're absolutely amazing. But in the meantime, we said no more drones. However, Dave could not resist and not to buy this. Autel Evo2. Now, there's a good weight on it comparing to the Mavic Air2. Does it fly excellent in winds? I'm amazed. This is a good drone. It's a good weight on it. I love the weight on it. I still have to kind of master and see how it properly works. But it's very much like I said, looks kind of a bit like Mavic. The first test we did it, or we tried to do, was in the Wicklow Mountains. But the wind, because the higher you go up there, the more windier it gets there, and it was extremely windy. It's just, I didn't want to take the risk. So, anyway. Just try hover. Switch it on. Okay, I've decided to land because even though it's heavy, there's a lot of movement and I'm flying behind my car. There's the car. So they're using me a bit of a protection from the wind, so if I was there, I wouldn't say that would stay still in the wind, so I don't want to take a risk. I'll wait for a better day. It's cold again. It's an Autel Evo2. Okay, putting it back in the box. There's too much of me. There's pretty kitty here to put it on. Oh. Just to grab the back on. Where are you? Can't see it. Oh. It's on. Well, very similar to Mavic Air. En route to the hospital now. Got my own face mask. So next week or so, we shall be commuting up and down to this hospital here. It's called Beaumont. That's where Dave's been treated. The traffic's not too bad this morning. Jack is staying with one of his friends. So. So we took off for a sort of long road trip. Went towards west of Ireland, place called past Galway, past through Connemara, Clifton. Now it was extremely windy day and the rain was catching up on us all of the time. So I think we might have to, when Dave recovers properly from his surgery and all that, we'll have to go back and do a proper exploring because this is absolutely amazing place. I'll just have some snippets of the place. You will love it. It was just on time I managed to land because it started to lash rain. Oh gosh. I would have definitely lost my drone if I was flying in this. Okay. En route to Clifton, west of Ireland.
Start recording.
Okay, I'm gonna fly the Autel. See how we get on. Okay. A little bit nervous. There's kind of like a ruin or a house or something, so I want to fly up to it. filters work.
Stop recording.
What? That was... First impressions, it's very stable in that mad wind. It's holding on great. Just have to hold it to switch it off, and it's off.
Remote control and the aircraft disconnected.
That's great. It's very informative. It talks to you all the time. So,
Remote control and mobile phone disconnected.
thank you. Next stop. I like it. Okay. Kong now, huh?
Yeah.
Where are we crossing?
The bridge.
What's the name of the bridge? White Man Bridge.
Oh.
So they took the movie.
Then take some grass.
And take some grass. Why would you take the grass? Making the sounds. Is that how you did it?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Okay.
It's really nice and fancy now.
Yeah. Here's the picture of the picture. It's a bit faded now,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
Here guys, let's like some. Hang on.
Right, hold on, I'll take a picture of you. Oh,
Oh, what's that?
oh, somebody's coat or something. Right, come on, Jay. Stay there. See, you sat on that bridge, that's what it is, Jack. Okay. Okay, man. What's the cool thing you're showing me?
Here.
Well, wait for a second, I can't run that fast. You know, my legs are not as young as yours. Oh, these are the berries.
I really want one.
These are okay to eat. These are sweet, I'd say. Here, try it.
I'm
Come,
afraid to
let me
eat it.
see.
I just need. Can I wash it?
No, just eat. Now let me see that face. Don't turn away. I want to see the face. Is it sweet? Yeah?
No, it's very tasty.
I'd say so too.
Here, go.
I'll have one too.
Stand here and go fishing.
I'll take one too. Really sweet. Nice. Perfect spot for fishing, Jack. You're absolutely right. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in a next episode next time. God bless. Sloan.